He has something up in his sleeve.
Yes.
4 ounces of silver.
What it said.
That's what he said. Yes, guys. Another one is Saj 27271.
Yes.
Yes, guys. Okay,
The
just
also.
watch out for that one.
The
link
link
will be on the description below to that if you haven't entered.
Comment on that video.
Same things.
Yes.
Like, subscribe, and comment. That's
Yes,
all.
That's all.
Onto that one as well. Okay.
All right.
Prize it's already packed as well. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Okay, we have some sad news.
Yes.
Okay, as we mentioned that we were going to check and we were so positive that US Silver Staker is publicly subscribed.
Yeah.
Okay, but when you go here, okay, we did check. Hey guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic. Okay guys, today is the day.
We're picking the winner.
We keep picking the winner for the community.
Yes.
Yeah, today is the day. As you can see, it's a wheel spin. Everybody's there.
Yeah, everyone who comment on the video.
Yes, everyone that left the comment is there. As you can see, we'll just leave it there on the screen.
Check it out, pause the video.
I think we have entered everyone that left a comment.
Yes.
Yeah, but before, since it's a community GAW, we find it appropriate to do a shout out, guys.
For the community.
Yes, for the few members of the community, guys. We would like to start with in no random order. Silver Scorpion.
Yes, great channel.
It's a very great member of the community, guys. Okay.
You must go watch, subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe on the channel. And he has a live stream on Tuesday.
Yes.
Yeah, he has something up his sleeve. Okay, he showed it. I think about 4 ounces of silver. I'm not too sure, but we'll leave a link to all these channels on the description below.
Yes.
Yeah, so he has a live stream on Tuesday, so don't forget to be there, guys. Let's go. And then I think he has something up in his sleeve. 4 ounces of silver. That's what he said. Yes, guys. Another one is Saj 27271. Yes, guys. Yeah, that's another channel. A great member of the community as well, guys. Yes, true. Guys. Yeah, with Saj you will find awareness of the situation that's about to happen, or for the unknown. Let me just put it that way. Yeah, in his channel you'll find clues, the unknown. He'll let you know on stuff that maybe you haven't heard about. Okay, true. Information on silver squeeze, things like that, guys. Okay, that's his Saj 27271.
Yes, must subscribe and push him.
Yes, subscribe to all these channels, guys. They are great members of the community. All of them, guys.
Helping us.
Yes, guys. Yeah, they really help out with the community. Another one is Irish Staker. Yes, Irish Staker, guys. He knows a lot about copper.
That's true.
Vast knowledge on copper, guys, but he likes gold.
Also,
he really likes gold. When you go over to his channel, you're gonna see a lot of gold there.
That's true.
In his channel. Yeah. Yeah, he's really busy stacking up gold. Yes, guys, another awesome member of the channel, of the community. Okay. The fourth. Little Miss Pink. Nosmetics. Yeah, Nosmetics, guys. Yes. I think everybody knows Nosmetics. Yes. Hey, that one rhymes, eh? Nosmetics. Hey, I almost became a rapper.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, everybody knows that. Little Miss Pink gloves. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked if you go over and see how little she is and how much she knows about these coins and the way a presentation and everything. They have a great stack. She's really is very talented. They have a great stack. Yeah, such young age.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it is. They have a great stack going there. All sorts of coins, gold. You'll be amazed of how she presents those things. Yeah.
We were shocked ourselves.
We were really shocked when we saw that.
Yes.
Too talented. She's with the dad there,
Yeah.
her father. Okay, helping her out. Okay,
The
great
next-
members as well of the community,
That's
guys.
true.
Okay, another one is Silver Golfer.
Yes.
Okay, Silver Golfer, guys, busy there. Variety, pennies, silver, pause, all sorts of things, guys. They're on the channel. Silver Golfer, guys. Go check them out, guys. We'll leave a link on the description of all these channels.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, Silver Oceans.
Yes.
Stack as wide as the ocean. That's what he always says. Stack as wide as the ocean, and I think he's right about that. Have no limit.
Yes.
Have no limit. Just stack as wide
Until
as the
they
ocean.
Squeeze you.
Yeah, to one corner.
Yes.
Okay, just stack as wide as the ocean. Very awesome channel, guys. He's similar.
Also awareness channel.
Awareness, yeah. He also awareness channel similar to Saj. Yeah. Also awareness about the unknown, the future. A lot of things, inflation, deflation, you find it there, guys.
Information.
Explained. Informative channel. The information is there, guys. You will know a lot about what's about to and just the unknown. If you confused about inflation, go to the channel. Deflation, go to the channel. Reset, go to the channel. CBDC,
Yes.
go to the channel, guys. You will find out all about that.
Yes, that's
Okay.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
That's we just
For
wanted
now.
to mention. For now, those are the channels. We'll leave a link on the description below.
We're gonna carry on, shout out some other channels.
Yes, guys, because #Growtogether.
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys. I think we're gonna go back to our GAW as we are picking a winner.
Only one spin
Only one spin. Whoever it lands on
is the
will
winner.
be a winner. Okay,
Okay,
it's not an
kangaroo.
elimination where we're gonna eliminate. No, whoever it lands on will be a winner of this prize, as we've shown on the other video.
Already packed.
It's already packed,
It's a kangaroo.
ready to be shipped. We
Yes.
just need a name.
Ah,
Just need a name to write a name there.
address. Yeah.
Name and the address. And then we will find it here today.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's just get to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the rules
Publicly subscribe, like,
and comment.
and comment.
That's all.
That's all. That's the only thing. Okay. All right, guys. Let's get to it.
Let's spin the wheel.
Yes, there is the mouse there. Getting ready.
Spin
Let's
the wheel.
spin. Okay. All right.
Let's see who it's gonna land on. Let's see.
You're a silver stacker.
You are the winner.
You are a winner, my friend. Okay,
Congrats.
congratulations. So
Kangaroo.
happy you won on our channel.
It's coming on your
It's coming.
way.
We just need your address.
Yes, send us on
There.
the email.
There.
It's coming.
There,
It's coming.
there. Okay. We will leave an email. Just send it on our email.
Yes.
I think we have
We
it
have
on
it.
yeah.
So yeah, on
Just
the
on our
page.
about page, we have our email. Just send us your
Email.
email-
Sorry, the address.
your address.
Yes.
Yeah. Not an email address.
They're confusing.
Yeah.
They're all
Hey,
addresses.
yeah. All sort of things. Okay, just send us there on our email your address, so we
Yes.
can just put it here and send it to you. It's
Yes.
already packed. It's ready. Just need your address. That's all. Okay.
All right. Congrats again.
Okay. Congrats.
Yes.
I think today's video was just about that.
We're growing the community.
Okay. Oh, we forgot to check. One thing.
Yeah.
Publicly subscribe. Ne?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I think he's
I think he
our
is.
old one.
You're a silver staker.
Yes.
I think he is publicly subscribed.
It's our old subscriber.
Yeah, he
Yes.
is.
Yeah.
So we'll check that out just to verify. And yes, just email us your address.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I think
Thank you.
today's video is just about that.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
There may be another car coming. We don't know.
Not maybe. there is another GAW coming. We'll announce it soon.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
There is one that's already the
Going,
current
yes,
one.
the 400
Yeah, there is a 400.
halfway through now.
It's halfway through. Yeah,
Yeah.
almost there.
Almost there.
Yeah, so there is another one, a
Yes.
400 subscriber GAW. Okay,
The link
just
also.
watch out for that one.
The
Link
link
will be
also.
on the description below to that if you haven't entered.
Comment on that video.
Same things.
Yes.
Like, subscribe, and comment. That's
Yes,
all.
That's all.
Onto that one as well. Okay.
Alright.
Price it's already packed as well.
Yes.
No lies, it's already packed. Maybe we'll show it on our next
The next video.
Okay.
Yes.
Once we send this one out, we'll show it on our next video.
That's
okay.
true.
All right.
Thanks for subscribing.
Thank
for
you
commenting,
so much for
supporting.
Yes,
for
really
the
appreciate everything.
It means a lot to us.
Great members.
Yes.
Have great members to the
Yes.
community.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Okay, we have some sad news.
Yes.
Okay, as we mentioned that we were going to check and we were so positive
yes.
that US Silver Staker is publicly subscribed.
Yeah.
Okay, but when you go here, okay,
we
did check. Sad news, guys. We really did check, as you can see for yourself.
Of the channel.
No way. He's nowhere. Even if we go here on this arrow and click subscriptions, still we checked about 4 or 5 times.
Yes.
We are nowhere to be seen. Nowhere here.
The rules are rules.
Rules are rules. We have to be publicly subscribed. But here, I think he's not even subscribed at all. Yeah. But he's a great member of the channel, of the community.
Yeah.
Okay. Supportive. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's just pick another winner, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
We have to.
We have to. Yeah. Okay.
To be fair.
Yes.
Spin the wheel.
Okay. Let's spin the wheel. Good luck, everyone.
Yes. Congrats.
Yes. Okay, this time we are not going to be taking a chance and say we are positive and all that. We just check now for Northern Coin. Okay.
Yeah.
Just copy that and paste it here. Okay. Let's look for Northern Coin. Okay, that's I think that's Northern Coin.
Yeah.
Okay, that's his channel, Northern Coins. Let's go channels. Okay, and let's scroll.
Let's see.
It looks promising. It looks promising. It looks promising, guys. It looks promising. Hopefully. Yay! There we are, guys.
Congrats,
we are there. Congrats, Northern Coin.
Send us an email.
We'll show it again.
Email. Yeah, with your address.
Just go to our bot page. We have our email there. Please send us your address. Okay, our email, you'll find it on our bot page.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Please just send us your address.
Yes.
Okay, we are very sad about what happened, guys.
Sorry, US.
Sorry, US Silver Staker. Okay, all right.
Yeah. We
Northern
have to
Coin.
do it.
Northern Coin, please send us
your
address so we can ship it to you. It's packed. It's ready. Just need your address there.
That's true.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thanks again, guys.
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.